I'm going to describe how to use a spreadsheet that does material balances on a system that has recycle and a purge. So this is for the ammonia reaction, and the feed contains nitrogen, hydrogen, and methane impurity, and the methane impurity must be purged so it doesn't build up in the system. So look at the spreadsheet and see how this works. It's using the solver in Excel to obtain a solution. So here's the spreadsheet for the system with a recycle and a purge. The input values by the user is the fractional conversion in the reactor, in this case 0.2, which is a realistic value for ammonia synthesis. And the fraction of the exit stream that's purged is 0.03. And these X and purge are the symbols used in the equations below. We're trying to determine all these molar flow rates that are in orange. We have to put in guess values in each of those cells. And then we're solving the equations, which are the cells in yellow. So the equation, the mixing point mass balance is shown, I should say mixing point mole balance is shown by the equation here. And then that equation's entered into this cell. We've moved all the terms to one side of the equation. So we're trying to make each of these cells in the yellow equal to 0. Some of them are already 0 because I've already run the program. Some of the answers are correct values and some are guess values. To then solve the equations, go to Data, Solver. I've input the equation, the one cell, and then all the other cells that are the yellow cells. And then we're changing the orange cells, which are indicated here. And so if I do solve, we'll find a solution. And you'll notice now all these cells are small or 0. And then as a check, these are the overall balances. These are not independent equations, but it's a check on the system. And then I calculate here the mole fraction of methane, which is 0.1. That's the mole fraction of methane in the recycle. And then the spreadsheet displays the calculated values in this flow chart. And more details in the spreadsheet are given in this text box. So the user can certainly change the fractional conversion, the purge, also can change the input streams here with the caveat that the program is set up that the hydrogen to nitrogen H2 to N2 ratio should be a stoichiometric feed 3 to 1.